Mitch and Dennis here from Stick Mobility. Today what we've got for you is what I'm going to call some good pillar strength. So we're looking at the core again, but globally. So this is going to be, again, good for everybody. Like it's something we would do with athletes, overhead throwers, overhead athletes, but again, anybody. If you got problems, hunching over, can't control your upper half, right? We need some good strength. So we got Dennis in a half kneeling position. Ideally, a shorter stick would work best for this drill so you don't have wasted stick, but really any of the size could work, but we're going to go with a 3-footer. So he's going to go up overhead. What we're looking at and starting with is one side, so it's more anti-rotation, a little bit harder to control everything. So what I'm going to do here as a partner is I'm going to pull. All right, so he has to pull, and this is going to be hard from this position. You've got to create a lot of pillar strength, ground yourself, and now we're going to push. So I push, he pushes. And then we're going to start working globally. So we're going to start changing some angles. So I'm going to pull, he pulls. See how hard he has to work? And then push. And pull. You see, he's got to work really hard in this position. Push. He's in a vulnerable position while you're in a nice, strong position here. Good. Just start to change that grip around. And again, pull. Push. So here's how we use our clock system. We're going global. We're challenged, like I said, it's everything. It's pillar strength because it's all our trunk, our pillar, and then that overhead. So forearm, wrist, shoulders getting a ton of work. Pull. Push. Nice. Again, you could pick and determine where you need to work. How many spots do you need to go, or do we go all the way around the clock? Pull. How do we push? How do we use this as an assessment? You see where he has to cheat more. Good. You feel where he's strong and where he's weak, right? It's going to also make them aware, so we're getting that body awareness, that kinesthetic feedback, and push. So we're learning what do we own and what do we not own. Good. So we worked all the way around, right? Challenge that whole side, global strength, pillar strength, tons of core work, overhead position, shoulder to wrist. You got everything working in that one exercise. So find where you need to work, find their weaknesses, and hone in on that and work it a little bit more. Till next time, Stick Mobility, movement made better. We out.